Hey everyone, Mark here, and today I'm breaking down the 5 most important indicators every trader should know on TradingView, especially if you trade crypto. And I will explain what they show, how to use them, and give you clear examples. So let's get into it. First one are the moving average. So moving average are the foundation of technical analysis. They smooth the price and help you understand the trend direction. There are two main types, the SMA, the simple moving average, which is lower and long term, and the EMA, the exponential moving average, which reacts faster and is great for short-term trading. My favorite setup is EMA 9, okay, for fast moves, EMA 21 for medium trends, and EMA 50 as a trend filter. So a golden cross happens when EMA 9, the yellow line in this case, crosses above the EMA 21, the blue line, like here you can see, and this signals a bullish shift, as you can see here. And then a dead cross happens when EMA 9 crosses below EMA 21, like in this case, and this signals a bullish shift. And how to use them? In an uptrend, look for pullbacks into the EMAs, and in a downtrend, sell or short when price retests the EMAs from below. Avoid trading when the EMAs are flat and tangled. Number 2 is the RSI, Relative Strength Index, and you can see here. RSI measures momentum, not price. It ranges from 0 to 100, and above 70 is considered overbought, like in this case, and below 30, like in this case, is considered oversold. But the real strength of RSI is spotting divergence. For example, if price makes higher high, but RSI makes a lower high, momentum is weakening. This often leads to a reversal. Okay, how to use the RSI? In uptrends, RSI usually bottoms around 40 to 45 instead of 30. Okay, in downtrends, RSI usually tops around 55 to 60 instead of 70. So don't buy just because RSI is low. Always confirm with price structure or the EMAs. The number 3 indicator is the MACD, trend and momentum. MACD shows both the direction and the strength of a trend. It's built from 3 EMAs basically, 12, 26, and 9. Signals to look for here: a bullish crossover happens when the MACD, the line blue, crosses above the signal line, so the red, okay? And a bearish crossover happens when the MACD line crosses below a signal line, like in this case. A zero line cross confirms a full trend shift. The histogram bars give early warnings. Shrinking red bars mean selling pressure is weakening. Shrinking green bars mean buying pressure is weakening. These changes often show a reversal before price moves. And the MACD combined with the EMA 50 is a strong swing trading combination. Number 4 is OBV, okay, on balance volume. Volume is extremely important because it shows what big money is doing. OBV tracks cumulative buying and selling pressure. Price up with volume up makes OBV rise. Okay, up here, for example. Price up with volume down means the move is weak, and price down with volume up can mean distribution or wells selling. Why OBV matters? It confirms whether a breakout is real or fake. A breakout with rising OBV is usually strong. A breakout with flat OBV is often fake out. You can also add volume profile to find strong support and resistance zones based on real buying and selling activity. Okay, last one, number 5, Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands show volatility. They are made of a 20-period SMA with upper and lower bands based on standard deviation. When the bands expand, volatility increases. When the bands contract, you get a Bollinger squeeze. This usually signals a big move coming. The best signals, so mean revision stops, like price hitting the lower band with low RSI for a possible bounce, or price hitting the upper band with high RSI for a possible pullback. Squeeze breakout setups, when the bands get very tight, wait for a breakout with strong volume, and this usually starts a new trend. A pro tip, combine Bollinger Bands with Kertner channels for the popular squeezy strategy, which I can make a video about it next time. Okay, those are the top 5 indicators I recommend mastering, okay? The moving average for trend, RSI for momentum, MACD for confirmation, OBV for volume strength, and Bollinger Bands for volatility. If you understand these 5 tools, you can read charts more clearly than most beginner traders. If this helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, and comment which indicator you want a full video on next. Guys, thank you for watching. See you with the next video. Ciao.